Hi, I'm John with Laguna Tools. Today we're going to go into the ENDURO MW37 Pro. It's an excellent wide belt machine made to process metal, especially after your plasma cut parts, your water jet, or even a laser cut part. We're going to run a couple samples now. We're going to run some thick plate steel, some really heavy dross. You might not see it every day, but it's nice to know you can handle it. And we have some thinner gauge material with a little lighter dross that we're going to run through. But before we get to that, let's take a look at a couple of the specs on this machine. One of the most important features on this machine is the motor. This one has a lot of power with a 20 horsepower main motor. We have other size machines that have different size motors based on the width of the machine. On this machine here, we have a really nice variable speed conveyor motor that's 1 horsepower. That can go from 12 to 60 feet per minute. We also have another motor on this machine. It's the motor that raises and lowers the conveyor bed. On this machine, it's a 1/4 horsepower. The maximum sanding height on this is 5.9 inches. This is the 37 Pro model. This machine has a 37 by 75 inch belt. The maximum sanding width on this machine is 36.5 inches. Now that you know the specs, let's see this machine in action. Thanks for watching today, and if you'd like any more information, give us a call or look us up at lagunatools.com.